Are we in silver market shock? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Are we in a silver market shock, everyone? Well, we're going to talk about that this morning, and we're going to talk about a few other things. We're going to talk about gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, and all those beautiful precious metals, everyone, including oil and the U.S. dollar, everybody. What is going to happen with silver this morning? What's going to happen with silver today and the rest of the week, everybody? Happy hump day and happy coffee. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you just clicked on this video, thank you for watching it and watching it all the way through, and welcome to this family. We appreciate you. We're close to 10,000 subscribers, guys. We're doing giveaways. We've got a fantastic giveaway happening this Sunday, everybody. And it's really cool. Let me show you what is happening when we hit 10,000 subscribers, guys. A little update on the channel. 9,917 subscribers. We're almost there, everybody. Let's push it over the hill. And somebody's getting this number 255 of 2,500 anniversary Goldback edition colorized shield. Guys, that was provided by Goldback. Not a cheap Goldback, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful, graded Goldback. And this Sunday, if you go watch the Super Copper Sunday video last Sunday, you'll know that we're doing a giveaway this Sunday on guessing which is Mrs. SSC's favorite silver piece, basically last week. So, and we're giving this incredible 10 ounce behemoth copper round provided by one of our viewers, Craig. Fantastic round, year of the horse, everybody. So let's get started. Let's get started on our gold this morning, everyone. Gold, which I bought quite a bit yesterday, kind of got into trouble by Mrs. SSC, but then again, she loves gold. So $4,328.80 on gold this morning. We're still holding really strong on all these metals. I don't know why they haven't gone up, but we'll talk about that in a minute. $69.87 on silver, everybody. Actually down about 3 cents right now. Oops. Got some sleep in my eyes, from sleeping. Happy coffee, everybody. My first sip. Dunkin', what is it? Donut shop. Not bad. Platinum, $1,790. Making a little bit of a comeback, but down. Palladium at $1,333. And rhodium, guys, the same. $7,625. Let's refresh this once again. So I'm kind of shocked really this week a little bit, with opening up the Straits of Hormuz in Iran and all of Persia over there and things settling down. Of course, I don't think Iran will ever settle down. They're always wanting to kill somebody. So, but getting that opened up and letting that oil start flowing, everybody, has crashed oil down really hard, which is good for us, good for our gas prices all over the world, the United States, everywhere. It affects us all, everyone, but hasn't done much for silver, which is questionable. So Hong Kong, $4,340 on gold this morning, everyone, and $70.39 on silver. They're holding in there pretty strong. Mumbai, $4,325 and $70.08 on silver. So London, hey, London's back up on the market here. 4,332 on gold and 70.04 on silver. Pretty much about the same. Pretty much about the same, guys. Let's look at the gold to silver ratio this morning. But before we do that, I forgot to shout out to all of you viewers all over the world. If it wasn't for you, our channel would not be successful at all. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Right to you, everybody. Thank you so very much. All over the world, all over the United States. Give us a shout out. Let us know where you're from. If you're new, please shout out. Let us know where you're from. Let's talk to each other. Let's comment. Let's like. Let's subscribe, guys. Watch these videos through. Thank you so very, very much for your dedication to my channel, guys. So let's go to the gold and silver channel. Allergies a little bit this morning, but not too much. Gold and silver channel. Did I just say that? SSC, guys, here I am. ADHD, chatterbox, drinking coffee, blowing my nose, playing with my dogs, getting up early. You know, this is just the way this channel is. It's a different channel if you're new to it. I know we're 5 minutes in and some of you are going, come on, SSC, get on with it. No, we're just, hey, it's just like I'm sitting here talking to you in your living room, right? So this is how I would be if you ever talk to anyone that's met me in real life. I'm the same right here, and I'm the same just like if it's person to person, everybody. So gold silver ratio this morning, 61.95. So almost 62 to 1, everybody. So really, it's a good time to buy silver. It's a good time to buy gold. Mrs. SSC's picking up a tube of, kind of a half a tube. I'm getting 20. She's getting 20 ounces, but it's 10 ounces of Buffaloes and 10 ounces of Philharmonics. So basically a tube. So, but she's wanting to fill up a tube, a partial tube of Philharmonics. So we're getting those to fill up the Philharmonics, and then I've got 10 more Buffaloes. And hey, I like Buffaloes, everybody. Silver Buffaloes are cool and very popular. So 61.97 now on our market on the gold silver ratio, guys. And guys, I bought a whole bunch more silver nuggets, and I bought some big silver nuggets. So that'll be cool if they make it in from Sluice Boys. Sluice Boys are really cool dudes, man. They do auctions on gold nuggets. They do their own mining. They pull their own gold out. Really cool. They got nuggets from everywhere. So we did an auction on eBay with Sluice Boys. This is the second time I've done it with them, and they're great guys, legit dudes. So go check them out on eBay. It is a blast, and you can buy some gold. You can buy some cool gold nuggets, guys. Goldbacks this morning. Goldbacks, right? Goldbacks. Giveaway. 867. 867, everybody. So let's move on. Of course, we love goldbacks, and we've got more goldbacks to give away, guys, but we got to hit this 10,000 mark, and we're going to give away the rest of the goldbacks that Goldback provided with for us in a giveaway with a goldback wallet. We're going to do that very soon after our 10,000 giveaway, guys. So let's move on to our base metals, what they call base metals. I call it a precious metal because copper is a precious metal to me, guys. Some people still have an attitude about it. They don't do their research. They don't see it, and that's okay. They don't see it as a long-term deal. We've talked about that in our copper videos and such, but copper's up, really coming up. 622 right now, doing very, very well. Great job, copper. Go copper. Nickel's up 806 this morning, and aluminum 1.54. Aluminum is kind of down a little bit, but God, yeah, I love coffee. wakes me up in the morning when we got to go to work. And we've been going to work early every morning. As soon as I get done with this video, everybody, boom, I'm gone. It's 4:42 this morning, and I'm going to go blow my nose. So, guys, it's a great time right now to get silver and gold, in my opinion. So, what is Shanghai and India at right now? So, Shanghai, it's really funny. India has been leading the board against China. They have been buying more silver, apparently, and their markets than Shanghai has. But Shanghai's at 77.27. Up they start to go, everybody. Up they start to go. Let's look at what India is. India's at 79.40. Now, if you look in the past, China's always just murdered everybody in the silver market. They've always been way higher. And but India is actually leading the board right now in market value on silver spot. And so I think I'm going to research that just a little bit and see what is causing the shift between the two. So that'll be kind of interesting. I haven't had time this week to do anything at work because I'm doing two jobs. I'm doing my boss's job and I'm doing my job. But you know what? I'm proud to do it because if he didn't have somebody to help him as hard as he works, then he wouldn't get to go on vacation. So thanks to all the bosses. I used to be one myself. I decided I'm out. I'm not doing that anymore in my business. I sell wholesale Ford parts. I've been doing it for 40 years, everybody. Made a good living for me, though. The dollar, everybody, the dollar. Okay, so the dollar's really, it's actually holding pretty strong. And I think that's kind of what is shifting. 99.56, guys. The dollar's actually, we need it to drop down to about 98-ish or so for silver, I think, to really take off. But I think it's not going to matter on with silver. There's some experts. I mean, we're talking experts, everybody. I looked at it last night. It's producing, or not producing, but predicting silver prices. Citibank and Bank of America are looking at 100, 135, upwards of $300 ounce silver this year. That's what they think. If it's extremely bullish and our silver shortages continue to increase, that it could go $300 this year. Holy smokes. And I wonder what would happen if we hit $300 this year. Oh my gosh, well, you talk about silver shock, everybody. Wow, are we really in silver shock? I don't think we're in silver shock right now. I think everybody needs to get out there and buy some silver. Some people are talking, hey, I'm going to hold back. I'm going to let it drop back to 50. But are you going to wait until it's too late? I mean, dollar cost average your purchases, guys. What if, we bought 20 ounces of silver or are picking it up today? And what if we go get it, we pay for it, and it rockets up to $80 an ounce and stays there and doesn't go anywhere, or it continues to skyrocket? Well, it's a waiting game. It's a long-term game, guys. So, I mean, I'm excited to have silver or gold, whether it goes up, where it goes down. There's always green lights. It's always a positive. There's no doom and gloom. Thumbnails are just to get you people to click. And watching it is the end goal, is watching the videos. But I don't really care because I enjoy doing this so much. Have a good time. If you click on it and you watch it 30 seconds, thank you for watching it for 30 seconds. I do appreciate it. A click and a watch is a click and a watch. Let's look at oil. Oil's down to 75, 78. Oil's down. Gas prices are going to come down, sure to follow pretty quickly. So, hey, awesome possum. But why isn't silver skyrocketing because oil's dropping so much? Well, because the dollar's holding pretty strong, everybody. Things are going pretty good for the dollar in the United States right now. That's some of it. But, guys, we all still think, you and me, we all still think that they are suppressing silver greatly in the market, really holding it back. They're intentionally holding it back, but eventually, guys, it's kind of like a boiler. If you know what a boiler is, or a hot water tank, if you keep turning it up, and the pressure keeps going higher and higher and higher, it doesn't matter how strong that boiler is. If it gets beyond its threshold, it will explode. And that's kind of like silver and what silver and gold is. If gold continues to really rally, then we know silver is going to really rally. It's going to really drive up everybody. And all of the big boys are saying the same thing. I'm going to watch a video this morning with Kirk Elliott. He owns a big depository down in Texas, and he's saying the same thing about silver. He thinks it's going to rocket up over $100 an ounce or be close to $100 an ounce in July. There's some things going on in July that we need to research. So everybody make sure you do your own research on silver and gold and copper and all these beautiful metals. We're at 4,326 right now. Gold and 69.82 on silver, guys. Happy hump day. What's it going to end up by the end of the week? Give me your guesses in the comments. And what's Mrs. SSC's favorite silver piece for this 10-ounce behemoth, beautiful horse? Year of the horse, everybody. Year of the horse. Beautiful year of the horse. 10-ounce giveaway. You need to go watch the video on Super Copper Sunday. And let's give our guesses, everybody. So SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. Everybody, happy hump day. Happy coffee. Everybody have a great day. We will see you on Friday. So give me some guesses because it's coming up quick, guys, for Super Copper Sunday giveaway, everybody. I'm out.